This is just a quick tutorial for how to access my Sharepoint site for MStrand. So if you go to the West Fargo Public Schools website, you will go to Students, but I'm going to head to Staff. And what you're looking for on this screen is you're looking for the Sharepoint portal right here. So if you click on the Sharepoint portal and you click on the link, what you need to do is over here on this side, you need to find the old teacher sites. I am not under the new teacher sites. I am under the old teacher sites. That's where all my stuff is. And so you'll have to then scroll down to the letter S, and there's a lot of S's, so you have to scroll down and click on this little arrow. And then there are 3 strands, so please make sure you're picking the right strand. I am Michelle Strand, and so you'll click on that link here. So this is the Sharepoint site where you'll find all kinds of resources. So over here under Libraries, there's Class Documents, and under Class Documents you will find the different courses. So there's AP Physics 1, there's AP Physics C Mechanics and Electricity and Magnetism, and there's regular physics. If I go back to home, the other couple of things that are going to be important here, there are 3 calendars. So there is a physics calendar that will show, you can click on lesson plans for the week. It will show upcoming like quizzes and tests and projects. The same for the AP Physics 1 calendar and the same for the AP Physics C calendar. It'll basically give big due dates. The other major thing are the websites piece over here. I have made a bunch of videos. In the class documents is where you'll find all of the PowerPoints for your class. So if you're gone, you can go and find the PowerPoint, but with the problems, they're not worked out in the PowerPoint. However, in here, if you click on here, for example, if I go under Physics Tutorials and I pick our very first chapter, you will find that there are videos for the worked examples for the different notes. And there are other things in here that are useful. So we'll do a constant velocity activity in physics, for example. This video gives you some hints as to how to go about finishing that assignment. And so this is a very useful, these are very useful clips. And in some of the cases I also will put review videos for quizzes and tests in here. And so this is where you will find those. The other, if you're in regular physics, this is where you'll find the videos to tell you how to sign up for Quest. For regular physics, this is also how you go about, this is the link to the online physics textbook, which the instructions for accessing that are here. For those of you in AP Physics 1 or AP Physics C, we're going to be using a different online homework system that you will get instructions for in class. And once you get into that online homework system, you do have access to the textbook there. So this is really an important website for you to, once you find it, you should probably bookmark it, because again, the PowerPoints under the class documents and the websites for the different tutorials are going to be really important.